Why do you want to get married? Why do you want to have children? Why do you want to travel? Why do you want to cut your hair? Honestly, why do you want to take a shower? Don't say just because everybody does it, I like it. Never say this. There's no niyyah. There's no reward. Why do you cook for your family? Well, children are hungry. That's not for Allah. But you have to find a niyyah to please Allah. What are you going to do? When you give them fries, are they going to be happy? Mom, I love you, they kiss you. أدخلتِ السرور في قلب المسلم. You made a Muslim happy. That's an act of worship. Learn to change your daily actions to act of worship. That's how you move from ordinary to being a servant of Allah.